Hey guys, it's Hugh Industries here. The Gabrielle here.
This is Motor Test Part 2. So far, as you can see, we've updated the
props.
That's good because they're bigger and they provide enough thrust to get it moving quite a long way. See episode 7 for Simple Flying Wing to see how fast it actually goes. So, motor testing part. Hang on, let me just see which way the blades go. Doesn't go that way, don't it?
It's my way. I can feel it.
It goes negative to positive. Hang on, is that the wrong way again?
Do it again. Yeah, it's the wrong way.
Okay, sorry guys. And then we go like this, and then we plug this in. Okay, that's
right way.
That's a good. That's motor's good. Hey, sorry, I just need to shut it down for a second, then we need to plug it back in like that.
Okay, do second one.
Motor 2. This is the trickiest one.
I know how to do it. Good.
Hang on, wait, I got it.
Oh no, it's already
Whoa, it's a lot of thrust. That's both motors up and running. Get a bird's eye view up here, because that's some serious thrust. That's some serious thrust.
You guys probably won't feel it. The reason it's not moving is we've got two pegs. And as soon as we remove one...
No, don't remove it, it'll go flying
It'll go flying off the bench and probably chow my legs. It hurts a lot. So, should we do backwards view?
Okay, I'm just going to do a view from behind. There's lots of wind behind there. Probably can't see it, but...
When you touch it, it removes that annoying noise.
Oh yeah, just leave it. This is a view from the cockpit. That's a cockpit view. If you look out to your left, you've got motor 1, motor 2.
But if you've seen motor punch, the first one, you can see the first time it sounded like a petrol motor, like zzz, like really.
And then we've got up there, we've got our finances. So far it costs $12, which is only for the batteries. But other than that's actually pretty good financing.
Yeah, it's financing.
And I'm just gonna go.
Don't chop the phone up here.
That's underneath the wing. Oh my gosh, why are you doing that?
No, that didn't even touch it. It was just there.
Yeah, it's touching it. I can even get a view of that. You can't even see the blade. Don't do it.
It's not touching it. You know that there's a piece. Ah!
What?
Oh, it's the black thing.
Exactly, it's the black.
It makes it invisible. You can't see. I'm only looking at the blue.
Oh, lovely. So
no,
that's...
it's just an invisible blade chopping that finger up.
That view there is for cockpit.
If we can barely remove the blue, you can't see it. Blue, you couldn't see it. It's invisible. I can't even see the black.
This is now completely resting on the plane. That's motor 2. It's running there. Oh, Billy Bob Joe's at home. He's at my house. So.
As if you know, we haven't set up a workshop with you, so most of our project is at mine.
Okay, so this is, so if we go under there, this is below behind. If I see, you can hear that noise. So this is the motor test 2. Hopefully you guys like the sound of this, because we certainly do love it. And hopefully part 1 sounded like a
It sounded a lot better.
This sounds like a nice one. Anyway, thank you guys for supporting our channel. 8 subscribers. Thank you very much. And
well, thanks for 61 minutes of...
yeah, 61 minutes of view time on the YouTube Studio app. That's what it says. And I actually want to do a tutorial on something soon. We'll watch out for a tutorial video soon. So thank you guys for supporting our channel. Thank you. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and thank you. Bye-bye.